Alex was born with a silver spoon. His mother, rich and influential, possesses the capability to assist her son in overcoming any challenges. Meanwhile, Tom, who had a poor background, is committed and determined to excel his academics. At the age of 20, Alex faced academic difficulties because he failed his SPM, leading to a failure to meet his entry requirement for his university. Upon that, Alex sought his mother's intervention to secure his admission to his desired university. His mom bribed the school by sponsoring 150 MacBooks for the library and providing monetary support through a check for the principal to satisfy her personal desires. As a result, Alex successfully enrolled into the Business Bachelor's program. Even after entering university, Alex's character remained unchanged as he continued to live an ignorant and indulgent life. Alex was assigned to the same group as Tom, but while Tom is struggling to study consistently to strive for an excellent grade, Alex declines to pay attention in class and behaves disruptively. Alex would also bribe the dean to receive pass grade so that he could continue his course.
Help me save for my English exam. Here's your reward.
I'm sure I got you.
To get more bread. Time's up, time's rough, but I couldn't get enough. See what flashes your eyes, boy, when you're getting stuck. Who's what, who's who, who's there, who's not. You will find out who is real when you get.
Did you see the strangest thing at Alex's exam, please? I think it's a different guy.
Emily, Tom's closest friend, is discussing about Alex resorting to use money to bribe someone who has good grades to help him attend the exam with Tom. Upon listening to the gossip about himself, Alex experienced a mix of anger and guilt, which then triggers him to call his gangmates to bully Tom, just for the sake of relieving his anger. Tom lies injured on the ground, attracting a huge crowd. Spectators started filming the scene and uploading the video on social media, causing it to go viral on the internet. Emily saw it online and this drives her up the wall. She decided to be the whistleblower who disclosed the corruptive act of Alex about the examination. Therefore, she posted the video on social media as anonymous. The video goes viral and everyone started to throw hate comments and death threats to Alex, non-stop. The entire student body assembled in front of the university, expressing their anger towards the institution. They seek an explanation from the university and urge the responsible party to take disciplinary action by expelling Alex. Under the pressure to uphold the university's positive image, the institution opted to expel Alex. Additionally, the individuals involved in bullying Alex, including the gang members, faced consequences in the form of merit mark reduction. In light of these events, the principal also took the opportunity to reflect on herself.
Please, don't forget what authority and power that my mom has.
The final decision I made by the school is you no need to come to school anymore.
Upon recognizing his actions, Alex tried to bribe Tom, proposing that in exchange for a bribe, Tom should publicly admit and declare that he initiated the fight and that Alex bears no responsibility for his injuries. However, Tom refused to accept the bribe. Emily saw Alex feeling depressed since he got expelled and no one seemed to stand by his side by accepting his bribe since he thought that bribery is the solution to everything. Emily is making an effort to convert him. Alex decided to turn over the new leaf and film an apology video.
Remind others that not to get involved in bribery cases and we should insist on self-integrity.
I'm here to express my sincere apologies for bullying Tom. Tom, if you happen to be watching this, I deeply regret my action and hope you can forgive me. Upon my self-reflecting, I come to realize that engaging in corruption is a criminal act and I can actually face imprisonment. I, Alex, pledge to never engage in bribery again, and this experience has taught me the importance of integrity in our daily lives.